Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Check it out. We found another 1969 Volkswagen microbus for you. This thing's restored, fresh restoration. It's decked out with all the goodies, the 21 windows, the roof rack, the sliding convertible top, safari windshields, camper style interior. It's all decked out. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at the pictures and read the information. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. And I forgot to mention, you'll find the price tag on this one and every vehicle we have for sale at volocars.com, along with a monthly finance option as well. Okay, so this one here in particular, it's rust-free underneath. It's all painted that blue body color. And the components look very fresh. There's not a lot under there, but there's the steering and suspension. You can see the bottom of the motor. All that looks clean. It all looks fresh. But again, no rust under there, and it's all painted blue. So the body itself, it's clean, it's straight, it's a fresh restoration. And again, it's decked out. It's got all the windows up here on the roof with all new glass, new rubber gaskets. Looks like all the gaskets are new. The corner windows were optional. This has the bars inside there with the curtains. But the body, the metal, all that's in real nice shape. Aluminum trim going all the way around. That's nice and clean and straight. You got the ladder going up to the rack with the varnished wood. The body itself, all clean, all nice. This is a big panel here. You put a billboard on the side, make some money. It's got the pop-out windows like here and here. And again, all new glass, all new chrome frames, all new rubber, new door handles. You got sliding glass on the doors with vent windows. These are the safari windows. You can crank it, you can open them all the way, you can close them. You got the grills over the headlights, you got amber fog lights, the chrome VW, you got the nostalgic V in the front, the mirrors, the antenna, all that looks like new. Air actually goes in underneath here, and you can control the ventilation inside. We'll show you when we get inside. The turn signals look new, bumpers are painted, you got the rubber and aluminum strips on them. Here's a little scratch right here. So the body and paint, it's probably like Volkswagen would have sold them new. It's not, pristine glass finish like my $100,000 Camaros, but it's very nice and glossy. This one has the optional running board. It's just a cute factor. The more stuff you put on these, the more fun they are, and these are fun. People love looking at these. We've sold some others, and I've mentioned people line up next to this to get pictures like they do our Batmobile. I was really surprised at how many people just think this is a hoot. So yeah, everything on the outside, the bumpers, everything looks real good. A new chrome on the wheels, the rims painted, the tires are so new they still have the nubs on the tread. Has a running board on this side too. Really just for looks, just for fun. So let's open it up. I'll give you a tour of the inside. All right, we're going to check out the motor compartment. Remember, it's in the back on a Volkswagen. It's a 1500cc four-cylinder engine. And look how fresh that looks. That looks like a brand new motor to me. The carburetor, distributor, the vacuum pod, the wires, everything just looks like new. The engine bay is all painted. Here's the VIN number, happens to be right there, I just noticed. This is where you'd find the battery. So you got a nice, clean motor compartment. And this here, so you can get in the back. You got a nice cushion. You got carpet underneath that. This is all upholstered back here, cushioned, real nice. The underneath this door is carpeted and upholstered, and you got the bars and the curtains. So whatever you decide to do with it, it's just fun. These seats will fold down flat, so you could lay in here if you'd like. Go camping or go to the outdoor, whatever you want to do. You got a nice cabinet here. Obviously, you got cabinet space here. You got a table. I'm sure this folds down. No, it's bolted to the wall. You got a seat here with more storage, locking storage there. So yeah, just fun. You put your friends, family, go to the football game, go to the kids' soccer game, go to church, go to dinner, and you're just going to have a good time with your friends and family. Nice cabinets. And you got the convertible sliding roof. This just opens and closes very easily. And this one also has the wind deflector. Again, more accessories, the better. And perforated headliner. The white headliner is all replaced. Door panels are upholstered. Got another table that will pop out there. So the front seat's really nice. They upholstered it and gave it some nice cushion. I really like that seat. The door panels are done to match. Got a little map pocket. We got seat belts in the front. It's all carpeted. Under the firewall there is all painted, or carpeted, I mean. The dash is painted. And this is that air unit I was talking about. That air, fresh air comes in, and you can control if you want it on or off or push it to the back. There you have it. Just a fun vehicle. It fits in your garage. This just pulled in a regular garage door. You gotta watch the height, but it did pull in just a standard garage door. So it fits in your garage. And I just named off all the fun times you could have with family or friends. You're not gonna get anywhere in a hurry. I mean, it's a 38 or 40 horsepower engine, but it'll get you down the road. Go to volocars.com. You can talk to the salesman with your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your driveway. They'll help you finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon because you never know what's going to be rolling in next. Thanks for watching.